Okay, it's May the 30th, 2024, 5:23 p.m. I'm boiling more water. I just showed you guys the black that was appeared inside of my fridge after I put that food in that Rhonda gave me. And I don't know. It was not there before. I swear to God it wasn't. I don't remember seeing it there. If it was, I didn't notice it. But what's weird is that frog sound started. Do you see this shit? That looks like fingers. So this could have been John doing something inside of the fridge. And I wasn't aware of it and didn't notice it until now, possibly. I didn't notice it until I put that food in from Rhonda. Do you see that shit? I cleaned this a little bit. You can still see it needs to be cleaned. See, all of that still needs to be cleaned. That's why I'm doing more water. But I didn't notice that. See all of that? Do you see that shit? There's that. Do you see this fucking shit? It's everywhere. Every fucking where. I cleaned this a little bit. I already cleaned this part a little bit, you can tell. See how it goes like that? It's because I already cleaned it a little bit. And I'm doing more sea salt and water right now. I'm just boiling the water. I'm gonna take this shit out too and clean this in here too. But I just noticed this right here, which I didn't notice before. It's fucking crazy. So, stay tuned to this crazy fuckingness. Yeah, that shit's ready. I'll post another video in a second when I'm finished cleaning.